Alright guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a little product usage with Ultima. This is their Interior Gel Shampoo. It is the Active Defense Antimicrobial formula. So with this product you clean, you don't need to rinse, wipe it dry, and it leaves a barrier. It says against bacteria, viruses, and mold. So that's pretty cool. I think this is a newer formula than the old ones. Don't quote me on that, but we're gonna try it out today. I got the back of my leather seats that my dogs have drooled and spit all over and gotten really dirty. We'll try it on some door panels and maybe even some carpet. I don't really have carpet that I can show you dirt on, but I'll show you how I would use it anyway. So let's get with it. I got these at autoforge.net, so go ahead and check them out for all your detailing needs. Let's go, guys. Okay guys, here's my interior. It's got a lot of dog saliva and just messiness. So we're gonna try this out and see how this works. This is Ultima Interior Shampoo Gel. All right guys, we got the Ultima Interior Shampoo Gel here. Let's turn the sprayer to spray. You can see we've got the seats that are really dirty here. Now one way is to go ahead and spray down the seat there. I've got my Scrub Ninja pad here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and work it into the seat. You can see it's got nice sudsing foaming there. Now today it's probably about 85 degrees outside right now, and I'm just gonna work this one area. I'm gonna get my towel and I'm gonna wipe it. You don't want to really leave it on there for it to dry. All you got to do is wipe it. It is a rinse-free formula, so you don't have to come back over it with another towel. And always you want to vacuum and clean your seats first. I'm just doing this quick here, give you guys a little idea. Look at that, very clean afterward. There's no greasiness. You can see some of the marks here that I haven't cleaned. So, and look at this now, it's super clean. So that's using the look at this, it's so dirty. That's how dirty the seat was. This is white normally. All right, so the Scrub Ninja. Now, if you wanted to use it without the Scrub Ninja, you could either spray your towel or you could spray the seat a little bit. And let's see how it cleans this. Just wipe it. Obviously, the Scrub Ninja is going to scrub and get a lot of that topical stuck on dirt. This is good for grease and topical cleaning. Wow, that did a really nice job just with the towel alone. Can you guys see that there? Super good finish, really nice. All right guys, that's one way to use this on your leather. All right guys, I'm gonna show you how to use this on your door. So the door is fairly dirty. Like I said, the dogs are spitting on here, they're leaning out the window. One thing you can do is spray some of this in your brush and clean any of this cracks and crevices, your little, look at how that foams good. The little window switch there. You know, anything that you want to get into. Spray a little more. Clean some of these crevices here. All right. Then you just wipe it down, stick your finger in there. Now, to clean the top, a good way is to go ahead and try to roll the window all the way down. This window only goes that far down, so you can only do what you can do. But we'll spray some of this on there. Rub it in. Look at that. Look how it foams real nicely. These Scrub Ninjas are awesome. And this formula says it's going to leave a barrier so you don't get bacteria and mold back onto this panel, at least for a while. I don't know how long that's gonna last, but at least you're getting something. Wow, that just does a smoking job. Nice and clean. Looks really good. Nice, I like it. All right, guys, so for the floor mats, obviously we need to vacuum them first. We'll get the Ultima Interior Shampoo Gel, and I'm gonna go ahead and spray some of this down on there. Spray, get yourself a little brush. I sprayed the brush as well. And go ahead and just scrub it. You want to get the top nice and clean, and you get your towel and you just wipe your towel to get the topical cleaning going, get the dirt off there. And that's how I would attempt to use this on carpets or upholstery. And it's very simple. You can tell it looks good. It's not going to make your carpet hard either. So very nice formula. There's the 50-50. All right, guys, so this was a quick video. I don't remember using this before in the past. I might have, but it's been a long time if I have used it. So Ultima Interior Gel Shampoo. This has the active defense. So this is a thin gel. It's not super watery that when you spray it, it's going to drip all over your car. This kind of sticks to the panels. When you use it with a brush, well, not with a brush, with a Ninja, Scrub Ninja, or this kind of brush, it foams nicely on there and it gets in those cracks and crevices. It has a nice stain power for you. So I would do section by section, wipe it off. The scent, the smell inside the car is really fresh and clean. Fantastic product. After you wipe it off, you've actually has a barrier that you've applied within this product to defense against mold and bacteria. So that's pretty cool knowing that in this product. Now I use this on my leather seats. I used it on the plastic door panels, and I tried it on the carpet. It was a 10 rating out of 10 on all 3 facets of the car. So really great stuff. Guess how much this bottle costs? $12.99. Can't really beat it over at autoforge.net. And I think a gallon might be somewhere around 50 or 60 bucks. It's gonna go a long way, guys. It's been around for a long time. It's a fantastic product, and there's a reason why it's been around so long. It just works. And where have I been all this time that I haven't been using this? So thumbs up to Ultima on this product. I used it with the Scrub Ninja. You can see how dirty it is. That's just an awesome device there. You definitely got to get your hands on the Scrub Ninja, and they have different size pads. I used it with a little brush here, and I also used it with just a towel, spray on and wipe off. It works fine any way you want to use it. If you got carpets, you're going to grab your special brush, spray it, scrub it in, and wipe it off with the microfiber towel of your choice, and it's going to clean everything. So really, really fantastic product. Go over to autoforge.net, look at their Ultima detailing supplies. They have a lot of them. Fantastic product, guys. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys later.